As you see guys, that weekly Bitcoin candle here, it finished and Bitcoin give us here a very nice engulfing pattern here. Is it in the weekly guys? That very good sign here, indicating maybe that Bitcoin going to push more higher and to break the last high here. We show you all those things yesterday. Now the short answer guys. And a lot of you, they came here, they want the short answer. The short answer guys, for today Monday, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping maybe to 111k till 112k. That the short answer. Yes, also in the weekly, in daily, in 4 hours, we're still in an uptrend, but there is a correction going to happen guys, so you need to be careful from that correction. That's the only things I can tell you here. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible. And you like our content and you've been with us, please my friends, support that channel by just smashing that like button which is down. You done it? Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You see the one here, see member option. You need to click at it like that to see 3 tiers as we got here guys. We got the position, that one is it for long term. It's preferable without leverage, but you, if you like to use leverage, it need to be below x5 guys. That means x2, x3, depending on you what you like, but me is it for position without leverage, just spot. So if you don't have time and you want to growing up your portfolio in Bitcoin and you don't need to deposit money each and every month or every week, you can join that one my friend. You need to deposit a lump sum capital, and by that capital we will play with it. Always your capital will be safe and you growing up your Bitcoin. If you are interested, you can join us. Second one, we got here VIP. That one you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services. And the last one, if you want everything, choose the elite. When you decide which one, click a join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. Still you're going to be in our VIP Discord. And if you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, the weekly, the Bitcoin here, it closed that green candle here. That's very good guys. Here sign, we still have here that small up channel here. We show it to you in daily, that one here. That meant the Bitcoin going to come back till 135k. That's very good guys. The only thing that candle here will close that the 500 days after the halving guys. People that are with me here, they remember that what was we've been saying thousands of times here. Let me show you guys. Then I'm going to take it off those lines here for you to understand a little bit. Over here in that candle here, that the halving, and that one here is 500 days before or after the halving, and we see it like that. If you remember, look at it guys. We said here the bottom it's being 500 days before the halving and the top is 500 days after the halving, like that. Let me take it off those lines here. I know it look miss a little bit. That the day of the halving guys, that one here, you see it here, that the day of the halving, and over here that 500 days before the halving guys, it's being here exactly the bottom here, and now here that 500 days after the halving guys, and at the top guys. So you need to be careful about that one here, what it's telling you. You see it guys? That one here is 500 days after the halving. Today exactly 500 days after the halving is closed. That's why you found that video thumbnail and the title. It's a warning guys. Yes, we don't got nothing yet there in the chart telling us the market is going to dump. The only thing we got, it's that bearish divergence here. Even that one we show it to you guys. We've been showing it to you a lot here in that channel. That one here, we show it to you. We told you we got here a bearish divergence here in the weekly. And now we are 500 days after the halving, guys. Look at it here. You see it here. You look here. And look now here where we are. Very clear bearish divergence, guys. The only thing now we're still in an uptrend, that one here. And we haven't break it, guys. So there is nothing yet till we break in here. We got something else here in the weekly. Let me show it to you. There we are, guys. That's what we got here in the weekly. Look with me here what we got. You see it, guys, here we add in those moving averages here. We touch the 20 moving average here, and the Bitcoin showing to us as if it's going to pump again. That meant the 20 moving average is still a very stronger Support from down. So let's see if that Bitcoin going to break for us that last high here. That possible, guys. If it's not, we need to focus on what's going to happen here. Because now we got a lot of things, guys. Let me take it off those moving averages like that. If you see with me here and we came to those ones here, we got here like a wage, guys. You see the one here is a wage here. We haven't touched the top of it here and we haven't touched the low of it. Top of it is it exactly at 130k and the low of it here very low, guys, maybe 100k or 102k. So also we're ready for everything. I think I explained everything to you here. Now it's going to see liquidity heatmap, what it's telling us today. Here we are, guys, the liquidity heatmap here. As you see it, we got some liquidity above and down here, but that one is only for 24 hours. People there with me didn't know what else we're doing every time. We go from 24 hours to weekly to see what is it there. Let me show you. Here in the weekly, guys, we got a very clear picture here. The Bitcoin going to fall down to that zone here. I told you 111k, but it's locked now here. 112k, guys. That's the target, which is here. That zone here. We got a lot of stop losses there. Above, we don't got nothing. People being with me down here, we used to tell you it's going to pump. Now it's going to dump to that zone here, guys. 112k. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see it coming news for all the coming week, guys, because that week we got a lot of very important news. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the coming week, as you see that the news we got to all the week. First day is Monday. It's not very important day. It's a holiday in Japan. But Tuesday, guys, is a very important day. Look what we got. We got the retail sales and the core retail sales is going to come at 12:30 GMT time. That week, exactly, it's not for those ones they like to day trade, guys. What we got else in Wednesday, guys, the most important day of all the week. What we got the inflation data of UK, the inflation data of the Eurozone, FOMC economic project, and Fed interest rate decision, plus our friend Jerome Powell, he's going to come at 6:30, and that one, guys, you need to be careful. That Wednesday, 17th of September, guys, is a very, very important day. Exactly, if you are a day trader, you need to be careful, my friend. What else we got here? Thursday, guys, that's the news we got. We got Bank of England interest rate decision, initial jobless claim of USA, and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. So the most important day is it that Wednesday, plus Friday we got Bank of Japan interest rate decision. So those was the news, guys. We got two important days. We got Tuesday and Wednesday. So you need to be careful, my friend. Even our friend the VIX here, still 14, guys, but it's very close to the top. So you need to be careful about those things. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in daily. Today I changed it a little bit. I bring it here with those moving averages for you to understand what is the picture here. We touch here that zone, also we tell it to you. Here in daily we still in an uptrend, guys. There is nothing changed. Not the uptrend here. So maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down to test that one here. That number one scenario, we got something else here, guys. If we came here and we try to add something, because before that, guys, that three candles here, those ones they finished there. What they got? A green candle like that, next to it a red candle like that, like a hangman here, and next to it here a red candle, guys, and that one indicating always that the top or bottom, guys. Look at it here. Let me change that one. Look at it here. That the bottom, guys. You see it or no? Look at it here. That the bottom, guys. Look at it here. That the top, guys. You see it or no? And that's what happened here. I think I explained everything that way. I told you the Bitcoin going to make a correction, but maybe just 112k now, not to 111k. We got something else here in daily. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. If we added here that 50 and the 20 moving average, you see the 50 moving average, which is exactly at 114, 339 here in daily. Also, we break it above. Let's see now if the Bitcoin going to fall down again to test it or not. Also, we are ready for everything, guys. No matter what happened, we're going to do it. Also, people there with me, also, we give them a short day trading now. Now, it was very close to hit the first take profit, and also we still riding it. We still have here now, like that, if it's going to do it, like how also we show you before. We told you like that is going to be a bullish flag, very clear bullish flag here. And if it's breaking here the top, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping more than that, guys. We show you that. But now there is a smaller correction to touch here, that smaller up channel here. We show it to you, even that one here in 4 hours, guys. We told you we are going to fall down to test the lower of that up channel. So I think I explained everything. Now let me show you the USDT dominance, what it's saying today. Here we are guys, the USDT dominance here. It tried to show us here as if it's going to pump here. Now, if you go into smaller time frames like 30 minutes or something like that, you're going to find it's showing as if it's going to pump. The only thing now we got here an order block as you see it guys. That one here is an order block, and watch me, I told you if you remember in the past videos guys. I came and do it like that and I told you, look at it guys, what it done before. It touched extreme oversold area here. He make as if it's going to pump, then it dump, till it touched the second time. Now it touched it the first time guys here. Now he came to that wall here, and me are thinking it's going to touch extreme oversold area again. What we got else here in USDT dominance guys. Look with me here, you remember that downtrend here, that one? We just touch it now. Let's see now if USDT dominance going to break that downtrend here and going to pump. That's possible guys, because also we touch here a very stronger zone. We show it to you before. Let's see what's going to happen now, because now we got here a very clear down channel guys, or a down wage here. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours guys. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours, it's still looking bullish guys. Also we show you that, we told you we got here that the up channel is just being shown you in daily, that one here. People they been watching us, we told you we touch the top here and we are going to fall down to touch the lower here. Lower here is exactly at 114k. Then from here maybe we're going to see that Bitcoin doing like that. Even that one is possible guys. So us now we are in a down channel. Yes, there is wars, there is fighting here about Bitcoin not to fall down. Let's see what's going to happen, but there is nothing guys, it just going like that. It's always going with waves like that, and that's what us we doing all those days. And that way us we telling you, if you want to benefit from our daily signals, you can join us. What else we got here? That one here is going to be very late. Me, I will not enter because that one getting broke. So me, I'm still waiting for the short guys. Is it that uptrend here? That one, if it's getting broke here and Bitcoin do it like that, you need to catch a short, my friend, and to ride it till the end. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, as you see it, Bitcoin touched that very stronger zone as we've been talking about, and our indicator touch here extreme overbought area. Now is going to fall down to that zone here, but look with me what I'm going to show you guys. You see that uptrend here? Is it that one here in the chart? You see it? Here in our indicator, now also we are in it. So if we break it that one here, we need to wait even that one here to be broke for us to catch that shot. And also we are ready for everything, no matter what's happened guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are guys in the Ethereum here. I will explain to you everything here. Let me zoom it a little bit like that. Also, we've been waiting that one here. You see it guys, that one here, it give us here a double top here. And it's breaking here the neckline. Also, we enter a short. We aiming the Ethereum to fall down to test for us that 200 moving average here. Now, even you, if you haven't entered, you can go and catch a short here in the Ethereum, because even that one going to happen, guys. You see it here that the Ethereum breaking for us that double top here, that indicating the Ethereum going to fall down maybe more low like that, because if you're looking at it guys, that it's breaking here. That number one scenario. Second scenario guys, what is it? We got here a small, a very sharp downtrend here. If it's getting broke here, we need to close that short and we're going to ride it as long, because that's what us we're doing every time. Even that sharp uptrend here, that one, we haven't break it guys. So even that one, it's possible. So us we are ready for everything. Me, I tell it to you guys, I show it to you why us we enter that short, because look at it guys, it touch a very stronger zone here. That one here, as you see it, and that the all-time high here for the Ethereum. As we show you all those things before, we told you we got here that triangle here like that, and we told you the Ethereum going to fall down to test the lower of that triangle here. So that's my view guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, as you see it touch here extreme overbought area, like how it happened here. So what is it, the view the Ethereum going to dump guys? That's my view personally, tell extreme oversold area. Now it's going to see the sol of Solana we're doing today. Here we are guys, the sol, that one here, yesterday it's been here. I save a lot of people there with me. I told them that just a bearish divergence, and that's what happened exactly guys. Look at it here. Now the sol here try to give us here, if you came with me here and we zoom it like that guys, what you see in here in that sol. You see it or no? The sol try to give you here like a double top here. That one here is a very clear M guys, and if it's breaking here, it's going to dump till that zone here guys, as you see it in front of you. Then also we're going to catch a shot. Another thing here, that very sharp uptrend here in the sol. You see it guys, it's getting broke here. Same thing guys, the sol going to dump again to that zone here for us to ride it more, but me, I haven't entered in that one. Me, I'm still waiting that double top here to be broke for me to catch that short. That's my view personally, guys. It might I'm wrong. It might start going to go more higher. Also, we are ready for everything, guys. And that's why us every time we're telling you, if you want to benefit from our daily and highly accurate signals, you can join our VIP Discord. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today. If you see in here our indicator, guys, we got here a bearish divergence here. You see it here. That's why also we're telling you now. Also we're waiting that one to be broke for us to catch that short, and everything going to happen, guys. Also we are ready for everything. Now it's going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today. There we are, guys. The XRP, same thing. We told you guys we are in a very stronger zone here. Look at it where it is now. So now what is it, the view? Also, we're still waiting that XRP yet. I'm going to show you something very important here in the XRP, guys. Let me show it to you like that. XRP is got here that up channel like that. Even that one, we show it to you a lot here in that channel. I know some of you don't like it, but guys, we show you here that up channel. Now we're going to touch the lot of it. Then from here, we're going to pump again, guys, like that. That's the view of me for the XRP. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here extreme oversold area. So also we are waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now it's going to see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. If you watch yesterday video, we show you here that head and shoulder here, that one. We told you guys if it's getting broke, enter a short, look at it, it's enter here. Now what is it, the view? Because now that Bitcoin here, it touch a very stronger zone and it's giving us here like a triangle, guys. You see that one here is a triangle now. Now if the Bitcoin came back and breaking above here, it's going to pump, guys. Second thing, if it's breaking down here, it's going to dump very hard. So what we can do now, we are waiting, guys, because it might that one to come back to test here, that one here, then from here to dump again. It might to do that. So also we are ready for everything, and that way also now we're given even scalping signals, guys. But all the things we got here, no, guys, we got something else here. We can come and do something like that, like a bullish flag, guys. You see it here. That one here, you can make it like that, like a bullish flag, but it's need Bitcoin to come back to break the top here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, we got here a bullish divergence here in 30 minutes. You see it here. That one is a bullish divergence. How we can catch in that entry? If the Bitcoin came back and break in here, we can ride it till the top, guys. And also we're ready for everything. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.